How to make this skirt. First thing what I did was to go ahead and fold my pattern. First of all, if you are just joining, you're very welcome. My name is Anita Handmade Creation. After folding up my pattern, this is what I did was to draw a base point, which is the waistline. I will measure from the waist to the hip depth, from the waist to the length of the skirt. I'm going to go ahead and mark and connect that up. I'll take the round waist divided by 4, round hip divided by 4, and round hip divided by 4 and mark it on the hem. Then I'm going to go ahead and connect it up like you can see me doing. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and mark the nipple to nipple line. Then I'm going to go down by 5 inch, go out by half inch both sides. Then I'll connect it all the way to that 5 inch. After that, I'm going to go ahead and cut that up. When I'm done cutting it up, I will open it up. Then I'm going to go ahead now and connect the hip depth line because I'll be tracing it to the other side as well. After tracing it up, the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and connect that up, and then we'll start working on. So this is what I'm going to do. You can decide to come down, you can decide to place it up like this. What I did was to place around 7 inch just near the dart. If you check this straight line, is just about 2 inch near the dart. Then I'm going to go ahead and connect line up like you can see me doing here. Then after connecting all those lines, I'll go ahead and label them up so I should know which one is going to go the first, the second, the third, and the fourth, and the fifth, blah blah. After that, I'll go ahead now to cut that up. After cutting, what I'm going to do is to go ahead now and cut my dart. I'll go ahead. You can decide to fold it up like this or just go ahead and cut that up, okay? Whatever you choose to do is fine. Then you gum that up and you have something like this. We're going to move that aside. We'll be cutting all this piece, okay? We'll cut it and then we'll go ahead and grab another paper. We'll be placing it on it, then we'll be spraying it out. This is what is being called a splash in spray method, which is what I'm actually doing. Cutting it, then we'll go ahead and spray it up later. After cutting it, what I'm going to do is to grab another paper. Now I'll place it up. I'm sorry if this paper is not really showing too well, but because my table is white and it is white, but just go ahead and follow up what I will be doing. So first thing what I did was to go ahead and draw a start line, which is actually going to be the base point. I'll take number 1, I'm going to glue it to the first, okay? Glue it up like this. The second, I'm going to glue it up. You can go ahead and spray it up by 2 inch by 1 inch depending on your fabric. I'll also draw a straight line at the hem, so that is also going to help me to be the guide, okay? Then I'll continue spraying them up. Like I said, you can do 1 inch, you can do 2 inch depending on your fabric and depending on how fuller you want the gather to be, which is what I'm actually doing here. Do that all the way to the end. We are almost there, so you just continue to add up the lines and add up your paper sticker. Then you go ahead and just glue them up. After which you glue them up, the next thing you can do is to go ahead and add up the the allowance, but I'll just go ahead and fold them up like you can see me doing right there. I'll be folding them up, pinning them up together before cutting it up. All right, because if you just go ahead and cut it up, by the time you want to join it, you will notice that it's kind of a short. So to avoid that from being short, fold them up inward before you go ahead and cut it up. After folding them inward, I pin them up. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut. After cutting it up, I'll cut up my waistband. Then I'm going to be joining it, just placing them up together, and here is what we have. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If it was helpful to you, don't forget to follow Anita Handmade Creation, subscribe to my YouTube Anita Handmade Creation, on TikTok Anita Handmade Creation. I hope it was helpful to you. Hope to see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching this far. Bye bye. I hope you are able to make something for yourself.